In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a new Chime card. So in case your card has been stolen, lost, damaged, or whatever, this is how you can get a new one. So the first step is to open up your Chime app and log in, and then on the first screen, what you want to do is click the gear icon at the top left to open up the settings. Now inside the settings, you want to scroll down and find cards, and it says freeze, set pins, and replace cards, so you want to click on cards. And in here at the very bottom, you will see this green button which says manage physical card. You want to click on that, and then a new setting window will open where you have to press replace card down at the very bottom. Once you press this, it will be prompted with a question which says what happened to your debit card, and you can either click lost, damaged, or stolen, so whichever one you click, it will take you to the same next page, and then on the next page, you'll be able to get the replacement for your debit card. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.